You've probably used a phone as your music player and wondered why your wired headphones never quite sound as clean or focused as they should. The best budget, high-res players don't try to be tiny smartphones. They focus on cleaner output, better file support, and controls that get out of the way so the music can breathe. That's why the right portable DAP can make everyday listening feel more intentional without pushing you into flagship pricing. In this video, I'm breaking down the best gas ranges you should buy in 2026, highlighting key features, real-world performance, and exactly what makes each one worth your money. Links are in the description, products are in the pinned comment. Let's get into it.
This video is presented to you by Trusty Picks.
Number 5. LG 6.3 CU Fort Slide-In Gas Range.
The LG 6.3 CU Fort Slide-In Gas Range is a strong buy for cooks who want a spacious oven and a powerful cooktop. The large oven capacity is a major selling point because it gives you more room for roasting, baking, and multi-dish cooking without feeling cramped. That makes it especially useful for families, holiday meals, and anyone who regularly cooks larger portions. LG has done a good job designing appliances that feel practical and modern, and this range continues that trend in a very useful way. What helps this model stand out is how it combines volume with performance. A big oven is nice, but if it does not cook evenly or the cooktop feels weak, the extra space does not matter much. The LG 6.3 CU Fort Slide-In model avoids that problem by giving you both capacity and cooking confidence.
It is made for people who need a range that can keep up when dinner gets more demanding. Whether you are baking bread, roasting vegetables, or running multiple pans at once, this appliance is built to handle the task without making the process feel stressful. It is also one of the most practical options for households that want to cook more often without constantly working around size limitations. The slide-in format gives the kitchen a cleaner, more upscale look, while the large oven makes the appliance genuinely useful. That combination matters because many buyers want an upgrade that is not only better looking, but also more functional. The LG 6.3 CU Fort Slide-In Gas Range does both. For people who prioritize oven space and overall cooking flexibility, it is one of the strongest choices in 2026. Why these stand out? These 5 ranges keep showing up in 2026 recommendation lists because they solve real cooking problems instead of creating new ones. LG stands out for overall value and versatility. Samsung brings a more modern feature set. Bosch focuses on premium build quality. GE Profile balances convenience and performance. And the larger LG slide-in model gives you the oven capacity many families actually need. That mix covers the majority of home cooking situations without going into unnecessary extremes. You are not just buying a stove, you are buying the daily center of your kitchen. Another reason these models rise above the rest is that they are designed for real homes, not just ideal test kitchens. That means they have to work with different cooking styles, different kitchen layouts, and different levels of experience. A great gas range should not punish you for being a casual cook, and it should not hold back someone who cooks every day. These 5 models do that well because they combine enough power with enough usability to fit both kinds of users. That is a big part of why they are the safest picks in 2026. There is also a long-term value angle here. A gas range is not something most people want to replace often, so reliability and usability matter just as much as raw performance. A range that cooks well but becomes annoying to clean or difficult to maintain is not really a good buy. These 5 avoid that mistake by focusing on durability, comfort, and practical design. They are the kinds of appliances that make the kitchen feel better every day, not just on installation day. Number 4. GE Profile 5-Burner Slide-In. The GE Profile 5-Burner Slide-In is a smart recommendation for people who want a mix of power, convenience, and strong oven performance. GE Profile has long been one of the most practical appliance lines for home cooks because it usually delivers useful features without making the product feel overly complicated. This particular range is a good example of that philosophy. It is designed for everyday use, but it still has enough advanced cooking capability to feel like a serious kitchen upgrade. That makes it a strong choice for families and busy households. One of the things that makes this range so appealing is the way it handles both stovetop cooking and oven tasks with confidence. A good gas range should do more than heat food. It should help you cook more precisely, cleanly, and efficiently. The GE Profile range is built for that kind of experience. It gives you enough burner flexibility to handle different pots and pans, while also supporting the baking and roasting performance people expect from a premium appliance. That balance makes it especially useful for kitchens where one person may be sautéing on top while another is preparing something in the oven. It is also a very sensible option for people who want a slide-in style range that feels integrated and modern. The slide-in format gives the kitchen a more built-in look, which many homeowners prefer because it feels cleaner and more finished. This GE profile model delivers that look while still staying practical. It is not trying to be a luxury showpiece, but it definitely feels like a serious upgrade over a basic range. If you want something dependable, flexible, and easy to live with, this is one of the safest gas range choices in 2026. Number 3. Bosch 800 Series HGI 8056 UC. The Bosch 800 Series HGI 8056 UC is one of the best choices if you care about build quality, clean design, and dependable cooking performance. Bosch has a reputation for making appliances that feel refined, and this gas range is a great example of that approach. It does not rely on flashy styling or over-the-top features to get attention. Instead, it focuses on solid construction, good cooking results, and a premium feel that holds up over time. That makes it especially attractive for buyers who want something that feels mature and well-engineered. A big part of the Bosch appeal is consistency. When people invest in a premium range, they usually want predictable results. They want burners that respond cleanly, an oven that cooks evenly, and a layout that feels easy to live with. The HGI 8056 UC delivers that kind of experience by emphasizing quality over gimmicks.
It feels like a range built for people who cook seriously, but do not necessarily want a commercial-style beast taking over the entire kitchen. That balance is hard to get right, and Bosch does it well here. This model also stands out because it fits naturally into a more refined kitchen design. Some ranges look overly industrial or too bulky for a modern home. The Bosch 800 series has a cleaner, more elegant look that works well in kitchens where appearance matters as much as performance. It is the kind of appliance that quietly upgrades the whole room. If your goal is to buy one of the most polished gas ranges in 2026, and you want something dependable rather than flashy, the HGI 8056 UC is an excellent pick.
Number 2. Samsung NY63 T8751SS. The Samsung NY63 T8751SS is the choice for buyers who want a feature-rich gas range with a modern design and strong oven flexibility. Samsung has become known for making appliances that look sleek and feel more advanced than the average kitchen range, and this model fits that image well. It is built for people who want cooking performance, convenience, and a bit of visual polish in one package. Instead of feeling old-fashioned or bare-bones, it gives your kitchen a more contemporary personality while still doing the real work that matters. What makes this range attractive is the way it combines performance with convenience. A lot of appliances give you one or the other. They either cook well but feel outdated, or they look stylish but lack serious cooking ability. The Samsung NY63 T8751SS tries to avoid that compromise. It gives you enough power and flexibility to handle everyday cooking, while also offering the kind of usability features that make the process smoother. That matters in a busy home, because the best appliance is the one that saves you time without making the cooking feel less enjoyable. Another reason this Samsung belongs in the top 5 is that it suits people who like a more modern kitchen experience. If you want a gas range that feels smart, flexible, and visually premium, it is a very strong candidate. It is especially appealing for buyers who care about both function and appearance, because it does not force you to choose between the two. The NY63 T8751SS is the kind of range that makes the kitchen feel more organized and more advanced at the same time. For many households, that is exactly the kind of upgrade worth paying for. Number 1. LG LRG L5825F. The LG LRG L5825F is one of the strongest all-around gas ranges in 2026 because it balances modern features with practical cooking performance. It is the kind of appliance that feels immediately useful the first time you cook on it, because it gives you a solid cooktop, a spacious oven, and the kind of everyday convenience that makes kitchen life easier. LG has built a strong reputation for ranges that combine smart design with real cooking value, and this model fits that pattern well. It is not trying to overwhelm you with unnecessary extras. Instead, it focuses on doing the important things well, which is exactly what most home cooks actually need. One of the biggest reasons this model stands out is its overall versatility. You can use it for simple weeknight meals, but it also has enough capacity and flexibility to handle bigger meals when you need them. That matters because a gas range should not force you to think too hard about what it can or cannot do. You want confidence. You want to know that if you are searing something on top, roasting something in the oven, or trying to cook multiple dishes at once, the appliance is going to keep up. The LG LRG L5825F is built around that kind of confidence. It also has the feel of a range that is designed for actual homes, not just appliance showrooms. The layout is intuitive, The cooking experience is straightforward, and the overall design makes sense for people who cook often. Some ranges are impressive for the first 10 minutes and annoying for the next 10 years. This is not one of those. The LRG L5825F belongs on a best-of list because it is dependable, practical, and modern without becoming complicated. If you want the safest all-around choice in 2026, this is the model that deserves the first spot on your shortlist. So, that wraps up our list of the best gas ranges. If this video was useful to you, kindly click the thumbs up button. Which one are you going to pick? Describe your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Everyone who had come this far, I'm hoping to see you in the next video.